Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Drive Forward. I have come up with another interesting video which will help you to speak English fluently and with confidence. Okay, so the topic for today is transition words. Okay, so what do you mean by transition words? Transition words are nothing but connectors. It helps you to join two sentences, two clauses, two words together so that your speech appears more logical as well as more well connected. Okay, so I'm taking few words which we use in our communication on daily basis. So let's start with the first word. So the first word is soon. Soon. And what is the meaning of soon? Soon means within a short time, foreign. Okay. So how I can make sentence out of it? Soon she will reach the airport. Okay. Or second sentence, soon she will be here. Okay, means foreign. Foreign, जल्दी से. ओके फ्यूचर ये फ्यूचर के बारे में बताता है लेकिन वो फ्यूचर वो चीज जो जल्दी होने वाली है दैट इज सून. ओके नेक्स्ट वर्ड यूजुअली. यूजुअली इट मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ्टन. आप ऑफ्टन भी कह सकते हैं, आप ऑफन भी कह सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. ओके तो यूजुअली हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? अक्सर. ठीक है. एंड हाउ आई कैन मेक सेंटेंस आउट ऑफ इट? यूजुअली आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और यूजुअली I go to my office at 9 a.m. ठीक है. Now the third one. Although. Although means in spite of the fact that. हालांकि. हालांकि हम कहते हैं. ठीक है. So how I can make sentence out of it? Although they are best friends. Although they are best friends, they hardly see each other. Okay. So this is the example of. Okay. So the other word is beside. And we use beside most often in our conversation. Right? Beside means next to. Okay. So I can say that there is a ship beside the seashore. There are so many coconut trees beside the beach. Okay. So this is, we can also say that beside my farmhouse there's a beautiful beach. Okay. Next word. Unless. Unless means except on the condition that. And in Hindi, what is the meaning of unless? Jab tak. Okay. Kevin never ate kebab unless he had prepared it for himself. Okay, next word is however. However means even so or on the other hand. However means lekin. So, however cold it may be, Adil still jog for 5 kilometers daily. Okay, I love to be with you today. However, I have some other plans. Okay, and the last two words, indeed and undoubtedly. Friends, indeed means certainly. Okay, but indeed is used for past action. Okay, and undoubtedly is almost the same. It also means without any doubt, certainly, but undoubtedly is used for future. I will make sentences out of it and then you will understand. Okay, so indeed, it was the worst fire which broke out in Los Angeles this year. Okay, so that action happened, right? तो वो बिल्कुल सही बात है, बहुत ही बुरा फायर था. Okay, and undoubtedly, he is the nice person to be voted for. Okay, undoubtedly, if she will be appointed as our leader, she will bring a change in our society. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood the meaning of these words and how to use these words in your speaking. So if you are liking my video, then you can subscribe my channel. I will come up with another interesting video. And thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye.